The 1929 Majestic is an extraordinary French motorcycle from between the wars. The Majestic was revolutionary in 1929, and the ideas Georges Roy made into metal are still being explored by many motorcycle designers. And he was among the first industrial designers to grapple with mass production techniques for auto manufacture. Built by Brian Fuller and his team at Fuller Moto in Atlanta, Georgia, the unconventional 2029 paves the way for next-level design elements and intricacies that until today were difficult to handcraft. Its chassis components are 3D printed using lightweight titanium, an ideal material that allows shapes which otherwise would be nearly impossible to handcraft. Some key visual elements of the 2029 bike were made from 3D printed titanium, including the front stabilizer arm outside of the front swing arm, which captures almost a sword-shaped look. The steering plate that mounts on the hub up front and mounts the Heim joint also has an unusual and unique aesthetic. Fuller used a Zero Motorcycle FXS electric bike with a range of 100 miles and 78 feet/lbs of torque as a foundation for the build of the 2029. The length of the Zero was the same dimensions of the original Majestic, but the motor was a bit low and the batteries too high in the stock chassis. As such, Fuller decided to flip the chassis upside down, while the batteries were uniquely modified to be positioned down low so that the motor aligns with the tall, 23-inch wheels. The 2029 comes with a fully enclosed sculptured aluminum body designed to look very similar to the 1929 Majestic. Its stark silver appearance is complemented by a tinted blue hue, which is sprayed inside parts of the bike's body. Unlike most bikes which have a traditional front fork setup, the 2029 has hub-centric steering coming off of a front swing arm. Hub-centric steering is very unusual, and has only been used in a few bikes such as the Moto, car, and of course the 1929 Majestic. "We know we are doing something that has never been done before," says Bobby Haas, collector and owner of the Haas Moto Museum and Sculpture Gallery. "There is no actual blueprint. We are not doing a production cycle. We are doing a piece of work that is rolling art. It is unique,